Something legit. Look at this. And why do I have a wig? Look at this, guys. And look at here. See? And what the heck is this? It's just a hobby. Not all hands that pull you close mean to hold you safe, Sarah. And how about the little scissors? It teleported me to another game. What the heck is this game? What is this game, guys? My brother is just struggling to get out the tower. What the heck is this?
Oh, man!
What the heck is this?
Anong klase yan? Parkour din?
Pero ano, may secret. What is this, guys? No way, I just found my secret. What is this? What the heck is this, guys? No way, I just found the meat. Guys, no way, I just found the meat. Goodbye.